I purchased this front loader washing machine 5 years ago, and it was the first one that I had ever had in my life. And of course, one of the first things that you learn is how easy it is for these things to get stinky and smelly compared to a top loader. So I wanted to talk to you about this product, and this is what I've been using ever since probably about 3 or 4 months afterwards. When you open it up, you're like, ew, it stinks in there. So I want to just kind of go through and talk to you about some of the things that I've learned about using this over the past 5 years, what I love, and answer some of those questions, because they were questions that I know I had before I purchased it the first time. So hopefully I can help you make an informed decision. So in this box, there are 25 different tablets, and they come in these little brown paper things. All you do is rip them open, and they look a lot like other cleaning tablets. And they're just these condensed, compressed powder, right? And you just toss it in your washing machine. You don't want anything else in there. You're gonna run it on a high temperature and let it run a full cycle. And because I live in Arizona, we always have hot water. So even when I wash something on cold, it's hot. Just a normal cycle, I'm gonna let it run. That's it. I know one of the questions I had is how often am I gonna have to do this? I do this every single month. And of course, if you have a front loader, down here's a little place where you have to drain out water. Make sure you know about that too. But between those two things, that is really gonna help your machine just be clean and smell so much better. Once this is done, all you do is open it up. I do wipe it down with a towel just to kind of dry that out. And then you leave your door propped open. That helps as well. And I also prop open the tray as well. So I prop the door open, I prop the tray open between cleanings as well as between weeks, right? I do laundry on Saturday, and then I leave these propped open so that everything can air out properly. So between the washing machine cleaner and doing all of this and draining out your little tube of gunky water in here, that is how you keep a front loader from smelling. But even if you have a top loader and it's stinky, you can use this on that too. It doesn't have to be a front loader. This works on all types of washers, and it's safe for septic systems if that's what you have too. One of my big worries was we have very hard water here in the Phoenix Valley in Arizona. So I wasn't sure if this was going to do a good enough job on that hard water. It has. But if you have a lot of pets or it's really extra dirty, I would suggest running this twice. It just helps break down any of the gunk, the pet hair, and the hard water that might be in there. But man, this thing comes out just not smelling at all, super shiny, super clean, and those hard water spots are gone. So for me, this is an easy yes, because it cleans all the places that I can't get without taking my washing machine apart.